after the Q&A, we'll have your second and last follow-up. Direct, please stay at the center po. Alright, first up, please face sector sa ating Viva camera. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Please stay looking at the center. 3, 2, 1. Next up, please face a little to your right. Sa kanan po tayo. Kanan. Smile everyone. 3, 2, 1. More. 3, 2, 1. And lastly, here on your left, please face sa kaliwa po tayo. 3, 2, 1. Lastly, 3, 2, 1. There you have it. Thank you so much. You may now take your seats once again. Alright, there you have it. Thank you very much. And I think our cast and director is